Hey guys, this is Dhanush. So, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this session, we are going to perform pick and place operation using robodk software. Okay, I'll be taking. Okay, done. So, initially, we need to run robodk software. That this is the initial setup of the robodk. So, you need to get a robot. So, on clicking over here, we can get the robot. See, you'll be finding like a library samples local. Do click this. Then so you can choose any robot, but as of now I'm choosing this robot. Okay, that okay. This is the view of that. Next, we need to get the table same as this. We'll be finding a welding table here. You can get this, and you need to get an object. Here you're finding a box like this. Then do click on this. Okay. Now we need to attach the gripper to the robot. Okay, then move to this robot library. Here, if you see, so as soon as you click on that, you will be navigated to robot robodk website. You can select this type section, then move. We do select sort of. Yes, do select the tools. And you can see so many grippers over here. But as of now, we'll be choosing 2F85 open gripper. That will be convenient now. Wait, right. I got this gripper 2F85. Then open it. Open with robodk. Yes, you got the gripper right here. Then now add a reference frame. Okay. Then rename it as bird, and you will right click over here, and then you reset. Okay. Then as soon as after you reset it, you can push this table to this wall. Sorry. Well, yes. Now you got this. Then give a double click over table. Then you need to change the position of the robot, right? Change the position of the table also, but yes, change the position of the table. Enough. Okay. Then and you can move to give a double click over this. Sorry, you click over that. Okay. Then you add the reference frame. Name it as 5 gram art 1. On pressing the Alt key, you can move this reference frame to the on the table just like this. Okay. Then we can copy this part 1. Then you can paste it like this. So rename the down one as part. So we need to fix the positions of part 1 and part 2. Do a double click over part 1. Then you can find 500 minus 200 Then you can give here approx 20. Yeah. Same thing you can apply here, but you can only the one value will be variant, that is minus 200 to 200, and this will be as usual 500, and this will be also as usual 20, right? And these positions are fixed. Okay, now you can see them. So what is the main purpose of this positions means, uh, this is the place to pick the object. Okay, and this will be, we need to, after picking the object, we need to place it over this thing. Okay, part one and part. Okay, then so we need to have an object, right? So you can get, see, you have box here, you need to get this box to part one. Yes, you got it. Now you can see the box, right? So I need to raise the box up, like give a double click over box, then like give approx. Yes. Now I can see it box. Right. Okay. Good. Now you need to change the position of the gripper so that that makes it convenient while picking up the object. Okay. Okay. Now on pressing Alt key again, you can rotate this gripper, make it equal. Okay. Then like this. It's not exactly on that. Okay. Sorry, was all right. And now okay with the position, but now almost okay, but sorry. Yes. Uh, Sorry, guys. Yes. Now I can start the still I didn't got. And so I've given a position like this. Now, sorry. Okay, now give the right click on the box, and you'll be finding an option called Get with Robot. Do select this robot. This is the robot we are using. Now you can see the gripper is attached to the object. So I want to change this gripper position of to up. Some you can change like this. 70, right? You can make it 80, 80 or like 85 also. So that it will be convenient for gripping. Then okay. Then you need to fix this position of this. Okay. So we can fix the position of the gripper by this target section. Sorry, delete this and active reference frame. Okay. Then after this, you need to rename it as like picking. No, we are picking, right? Then you can pick part 1. Okay. Then after, so you can change the position again. We are once now this position is fixed. So once again, if I'm sorry, you can give it as 250 levels. Now you can fix this position too. Then you can rename it as some app part 1. Okay. So if you double click on this pick part 1, you can see. Okay. Then if you click on app part 1, it moves away from the object. Okay. Then now you need to give a program. Okay. So here is a Python program. Here is the conditions. Based on the conditions, you can give the program like this. So give a click on this for it. Perfect for this. And rename it as replace. The reason I gave replace as a name, from that you know. Now, give a right click over on the replace, then add instruction. Here, you'll be finding an option called simulation event construction. So here, we can select set object position. You need to select this table and hotspot, then okay. Now, you need to change the box position. This is a box position, right? We can change it as 500. So the box position has changed. So as soon as we go click on this replace objects, we'll see so the object is back to its position. Okay. Then now for picking we need to create a program. We need to rename it as pick part on 1. Sorry. On 1. Now this is the initial position. So give an instruction move J. Okay, joint movement. Okay. Then on selecting pick part 1 position, give move L as a instruction. Then for move L command, you need to give an instruction, right? Attach objects so that the gripper locks the object. Okay. Then okay. Then move to again it should pick and move up, no? So then you need to take this position, right? Then you again move L command. Okay. See, now you run this program, it is picking up. Now, okay, it is picking up. So operation is success. Then, so it should pick now. Now it should place in this frame. Yes. Then, okay, move that. Okay. Now move to part two. Okay. Activate this reference frame. Okay. Then fix this position. So I need to give a target option on here. Make it as like uh rename it as that's fine, app part two. Okay. Let us move it some downward. Okay. Yeah, foot comma. So fix this position also. And this as like you can rename it as place. You're placing it right in part two. So place part. Okay. Now, I think this is the position. I think enough thing like that. Okay. Now, now you need to see it's a click double click. It is right. Now it should drop. So we need to add a program. Okay. So add a program. Then you need to rename it as play place part good. So first it should bring this position. So it should in mode shape command. So we give it. Then it should come to this position. Then move and should be given. So for this move in command, you need to give a now instruction called detach object. So detach object action makes it to release the object from the grip. Okay. Then release like this. So again, it should move upward. See, up to. Then you give again move command. Same thing. Okay. Then now if you run this program, sorry. Okay. It is releasing. So again, we need to pick it from this and we need to place. It should be a continuous cycle of picking and placing, right? Then we need to add another program, like add program, rename it as pick part two, right? We are picking from the part two, no? Then we check it. So it should be in this position. So give move J command. As simple as this, the whatever the instructions you have given for the pick part 1 you can give same instructions here. Okay, with respect to second frame. Okay, then move L. Then you need to give an instruction that you need to attach the object. See, as simple as this. Then it should move upward, right? Then we need to give move L. So, it is normal, right? Now, we are again on pressing Alt key. Okay, let's say like then, and now select the reference frame as part 1. Okay, then now I need to place it. Okay, we have placed it. Now we haven't placed completely, but it was then cut it up. It comes to that. Done. Now we need to add another program. What we have added. So this will be like placing in part 1. Right? So you can rename it as place part 1. Done. Okay. Now, so initially what position it is, you can rename it as, so this is the position, right? You can give the command as move J. Then it should come down, right? Then it should be in the position, right? Then you give well. Then now you need to change the instruction to detach the object. Okay? Detach the object. Okay. Then it should move again upward. So you need to give like this. Again, move command. Okay? So this is the final program of this. Okay, if you run this, so it is detached, it is gone. So it is picking, placing, again picking, it is placing. Now we need to run this continuously, right? Do select these all 4 programs. Yes. Now we have selected, right? Give a right click over here. Make main program. We are converting all these 4 programs into one program. This. So if you run this program, you can see all 4 commands. Run it. Okay. Now if we decrease our speed better. Okay. Now on a loop, we need to learn. Sorry. Loop. Yeah, I'm decreasing.